Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video today we will be learning about Aster Plot and how we can use it. This is a visual chart that is not available in normal visualization pane, so we will have to add it from custom visuals. It's a custom visual. Aster Plot is more likely a donut chart, but in Aster Plot the fields are highlighted, so the one that has more data will be popping out. Let's go and start and see how it works. So we'll go here and get more visuals and we will select get more visuals. Now here we will search for Aster Plot. Let's go here in the search bar and we will write Aster. Let's see if it can bring it up. So we can see it here, Aster Plot. This is the Microsoft Corporation. So we'll click here and then we will add it to our Power BI report. Loading data. Now you can see it's free and we can simply add it, and here you can see how that will look like. Now let's go here and add the Aster Plot. It's importing the visual. Now import successful. The visual was successfully imported to this report. I will click OK. And now we can start. Let me bring this to our report. And let's bring it to the middle. And here I will add some data. So we have two categories, two fields, category and y-axis. In the category, let's add status of the projects, and in the y-axis we can add the count. Now you see it has been populated, and here if I go status done, count of projects 6. So 6 projects are the ones that are completed. We can just rename this as projects, total projects, total projects. Now if I hover over it, so on track total projects are 5, in progress 4, on hold 2, and delayed 1. Now you can see this is very similar if I also add a donut chart right next to it. It's very similar to a donut chart. Let's just add status and project name. So you see it's very similar to a donut chart. It's just that the one that has the most is popping out. So here done is here and done is here. So you can see the difference between the two charts. It's easier to read if you're using an Aster Plot. Let's also further see how we can, let me delete this, how we can format it. So we'll go to format your visual, and these are the options that we have. So if I want to add legends, the legends are here, and you can define the position, top center. You can add the status of projects, and let's make it bold. You can remove the title if you want to. Let's just remove the title. And the center label, this is the center label, so you can see the status. You can make it a bit bold if you want to keep it. Now we have details label also, so you can see the details. And this is the option that we have, display units, the font and everything. And the pie's color, you can change the pie color. Let's say if you want to have green, let's make it dark green here. On track we can have yellow, in progress a lighter shade of yellow. On hold we can go as this. Let's make it purple. and delayed can be read. So now you can see and you can easily read it. In the outer line, if you want to have an outer line, you can have this also. Now these are the options that we have to format it. If I go in general, this is how you can format any of your Power BI visual. I'll just quickly go over it. So in the properties, you can define the height and width. You can also do it from here. The position, padding, and all these. Title is this title if you want to have it. If you want to have it, and you can change the text color. You can bring it in the middle and how you want it. I'll just remove this. In the effects, you can add background. For example, let's make it gray or just remove the background. You can add a visual border. You can add shadow and you can see this. Okay, let's bring it back. Tendrils. And then you have data format. So if you have any data, like for example, total projects, how you will it if it has decimal places, if you want to do it, scientific percentage, however you want it. Header icon, tooltips if you want to add any, and this is how it will appear in your data in your Power BI report. I hope this video helped. Keep watching for more and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.